We are in Pembroke First United Methodist Church in Pembroke, North Carolina. I'm a rural fellow, so it's really cool because we get to learn about small rural church life. And at my field ed placement, I'm able to slow down, take my time researching, studying the scripture, and really preparing for worship, and just being in the community. I am just immersed in the community, and it's something I really love. But just like at Duke, everyone has different theology, everyone thinks differently. My favorite show is Ted Lasso. A quote he says is, "Be curious, not judgmental." And what I've learned is asking curious questions instead of coming in and assuming has really helped me build relationships and connections with people who think differently than me. And that's okay that they think differently. I don't want to always be surrounded by like-minded people. I want to be pushed, and I want to be stretched, and Duke offers that space.